Hey guys, welcome into the studio. Eric Roberts today for Worship the King, Worship Band Builder, and Play and Sing TV. We're doing Found in You, which I like this song. It's got some whoa-ohs. It's 4 chords. It's really easy. And this, again, is part of the Worship the King Songbook series, Play and Sing series, where every week we're putting up a new song. Every day we're putting up a new song. And every day you can actually go and get a song, and then you can join our you can join our podcast. You can join our podcast. Of course, listen to the podcast. We just recorded 2 of those today. But you can join worshiptheking.com for just $1, and you can get the charts and more of the videos, and you can join into what we're doing. Today we're editing the chart Found in You and just making sure that it's all perfect. I kind of already went through and checked it, but we're going to sing through it and make sure each one of these makes sense. I think it goes... Yeah, that's it. So it opens up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, and then all 8th notes down. Each one of these beats gets 1 count. So we're reaching out to welcome you, God. So I'm going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. And I'm doing a little palm mute, so that's a little extra, but okay, reaching out to welcome you, God, to fill this place again with your song. 3, 4, 1 and 2. Na, na, na. With wonder and awe. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Give us a great glimpse of the never-changing God. All we want, and all we need is found in you. Found in you, Jesus. Every victory is found in you. Found in you. Open wide our hearts now to yours. Every fear bow down to your love, that we may see like never before. Give us a great glimpse of the never-changing God. All we want and all we need is found in you. Found in you, Jesus. Every victory is found in you. Found in you. So this is all good. This is all good. And in your presence. I think that's the right spelling of that, but they just want a comma. Okay, that's fine. We can have a comma there. And in your presence there is freedom. And in your presence we are made whole. That's right. And in your presence there is freedom. That's right too. So all of this is very right. I made this chord chart. I just tweaked it a little bit before it had some stuff that I was working on. So this chord chart is right, and I think this is it. So if you want to get the chart, you can buy the Songbook on Amazon. You can buy the Songbook from our website. And you can also join worshiptheking.com for just $1 for 7 days. You can get a trial for 7 days for just $1 and see if you like it. And then you can stick around and you can learn all the songs in our Play and Sing Songbook. So 4 chords. It's pretty easy to do. Every fear. I think I'm just going to go every fear. Every fear. Every fear is born. Okay. All right, that's Found in You. Meet with me every day. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel, like the channel, and then you can meet with me every day. We're doing songs through the Songbooks Play and Sing series, and make sure you just join in. God bless you.